We will finish up our fish seascape today. Begin by opening Autodesk Sketchbook. Once you get Sketchbook open, the drawing you started last time should already be there. Use your pinchy fingers to make your picture smaller by pinching your fingers together, and then zoom over until you get to the other side of your paper. We'll add another fish using the same steps as last week. So begin by choosing a color. Make sure you choose a color that you have not used already. Now use your finger to draw a football shape. Make sure you draw this overlapping or really close to one of your other fish so the body or the fins overlap. Once you draw the football shape, color it in. You may use the same color for your fins, or you may choose a new color. To draw the tail fin, draw a diagonal line going up, then a diagonal line going down, and connect those two lines with a curved line. Use your finger to color in the tail fin. To draw the top fin, draw a diagonal line going towards the tail fin and color it in. For the bottom fin, draw the same thing. Diagonal line towards the back fin, connect it to the body, and color it in. You may also choose to add textures to your fish's body. Then go back to your color selector and choose black by sliding it down in the diamond and make your fish's eye. Optional step to add bubbles. Click the pen above your color selector and select Library. Then swipe your finger up until you see the bubbles. Choose a very light blue, almost white, and then draw bubbles by your new fish. You need to have at least 4 overlapping fish on your paper. You may add more, but not less. Now we're ready to add seaweed to the other side of our picture. Choose a very light green for your first seaweed. Just like at the very beginning of the project, oops, I have bubbles selected. Make sure if you did bubbles, you go back to your technical pen. Okay, now draw a wavy line towards the top and make it get a little bit thicker. Color in the thicker area. Remember, it's totally fine for it to overlap your fish. In fact, that's our goal. When you finish one seaweed, go back to your color selector and slide it down in the diamond to get a darker green. Now draw another piece of seaweed overlapping the first one. Color in the bottom part thicker. Finally, slide your color selector down a little bit further towards the black to get your darkest value of green and draw and color in your last piece of seaweed. Now use your pinchy fingers to make your picture small enough that you can see the entire thing. If you are happy with your picture, you are ready to submit it. Click on the square in the top left corner. Click on the mountains with the arrow. It says Share. Then you're going to click the box with the arrow pointing down. It says Save Image. Once you click this, it just goes back to your screen, but your picture is saved to your camera roll. Open up Canvas Student and then find your second grade art class. Once you get into your art class, click on Assignments and submit it to Overlapping Fish Part 1.